What's up, guys? So today's video is going to be my top 5 tips for building muscle on a vegan diet. But before I start, I just want to say a massive thank you for all the guys that subscribed to the channel so far. I've not had this channel for long, probably around 4 weeks now, but all the positive comments and feedback I've been receiving, listen, that is just giving me so much more motivation just to keep making the videos and keep spreading the message. So massive thank you to you guys. Okay, so tip number 1, eat more food, guys. I can't stress this enough. I made the same mistake when I went vegan. I wasn't eating enough food, and I mentioned it in my previous video. The thing is, when you're eating just whole foods, the food is so filling and it's not that much calorie dense. Like when you're eating a lot of processed foods, they're really calorie dense. It won't necessarily fill you up, but it's a lot of calories. If it's weight you want to gain or muscle you want to build, you need to eat more food. Eat to grow. And it's not just on a vegan diet, it's on any diet you're on. Like the staples of my diet at the moment, I'm focusing on a lot of grains. Your wild rice, quinoa, your oats, potatoes. You're predominantly looking to having more cooked foods because it's easier to absorb the nutrients from cooked foods, and you can eat a much higher volume when the food is cooked. When you're eating raw vegan, it's a lot harder. If you feel like you have been eating a lot of food but you're still not putting on weight, then all that means is that you're not eating enough. It sounds hard, but you have to eat more. If you want to grow, you have to eat. Right, let's move on. Tip number 2, carb up. Yeah, you heard me. You have to fall in love with carbs. So many people are afraid of carbs, and I don't know why. Carbohydrates that's your energy. The same way if you don't put gas into your car, it won't move. So carb up. When you're eating whole foods, you don't need to worry about your proteins, your fats, okay? Whole foods, everything has protein in it. So don't worry about protein. You're gonna get your protein anyway. Just make sure they're whole foods, none of that processed rubbish. Non-GM, non-processed whole foods, okay? Keep it clean, guys. Carbs will not make you fat. So when you carb up, you go to the gym and you use that energy. It's not gonna make you fat. Trust me, you can relax now. Carbs won't make you fat, okay? All right, moving on. Tip number 3, sleep. Yes, you heard me. Sleep, rest. Look, some days I have to force myself to rest. You need to understand that in order for the muscle to grow, you need to let it rest and repair. Sorry guys, you guys know I'm bulking at the moment, so just gotta eat. Make sure you get plenty of rest, guys, and plenty of water. Most of the human body is made up of water anyway, okay? So if you're not putting enough water into the body, not replacing the fluids that you're getting rid of whilst training, is basically, you're killing yourself basically, okay? Let's put it like that, you're actually killing yourself. Water is so important. It's so hard to train when you're dehydrated. If you guys find it hard drinking water, just buy one of those gallon bottles, fill it up every morning and just carry it around with you. And make sure you don't go to sleep until you finish that bottle. All right, moving on. Tip number 4, lift heavy weights. You have to lift heavy weights. And I'm not talking about go to the gym and ego lift. No. Leave your ego at home. Lift as heavy as you can, but with correct form. Okay, so you're getting the right contraction on the muscles and the weight is as heavy as possible. That is how your muscles will grow. You have to work hard when you go to the gym. Okay, there's no easy way around it. No supplements, no steroids, no crap. Lift heavy weights and high volume. If you want to look bigger, make your muscles grow, high volume. Tip number 5, do your cardio. I know a lot of you guys are thinking, what? Building muscle, do cardio? Yes, do your cardio. I'm not saying go to the gym and do a killer high intensity sprint on the treadmill, no. So it might be like a 15-minute run or 15 minutes on the bike, whatever it is. Cardio is like an exercise for the heart. It gets the heart pumping, raises the heart rate, gets the blood flowing around the body. So when you do go to hit those weights, you're ready. You can lift a lot heavier. All right, guys, so that's it. That's my 5 tips for building muscle on a vegan diet. If you have any questions, leave your comments below. Follow me on my Instagram also at Vegan Hustle TV. So yeah, guys, no supplements, no steroids, no crap. Just eat whole foods, plant-based foods, eat clean, drink your water, get plenty of rest, train hard, lift heavy, high volume, and I promise you, you'll make a lot of gains. If you're in the gym for like a week and you're not seeing any gains, just be patient. They will come. They're just loading. Once again, thank you so much for watching. Be sure to give it a thumbs up and please share it with your friends if you feel like it will help them. Make sure you subscribe, guys. We need to grow this channel, but it's only going to happen if we work as a team. And I'll see you in the next one.